Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, copper market opened around 421.5. You can see this zone where the market opened yesterday. And what we were expecting is that we were targeting this 422 as a major resistance zone. So the last week we were targeting this 422 as a major resistance zone for selling. But if the yesterday's market is a very important day for us, always Mondays or always an important day for us. So after the price opening, you can see the market went above 422 and it stayed above 422, which gives us a clear indication there are a lot of possibilities that the market can move higher. So many times we have said unless until we clear this 422 zone, we cannot relax in copper market, because it is a very crucial zone. So you can see what happened after that is that after the price opening it stayed above that but couldn't sustain and it came down below 422, which gives us another danger sign that still we are not out of danger. If you have bought something above 422, it is not that it is not sure that copper can move above 422. That is an importance of major supports and resistance. You should be keenly watching what is happening in and around support and resistance. So what happened is that after that the price came down. So the market couldn't sustain this 422 and it came down, and you can see the price stayed below. So then after that the price tried to climb, it didn't even went and tested this 422. You can see that it was completely staying down, and again it is a low volatile market what we had yesterday. So if the price should have moved higher, what should have happened is that the price would have taken some support around 422 and it would have bounced back up. So many times we had seen this type of patterns. Since we strongly believe in price actions and price flow, we can say that till after the price breaking this 422, so it is not good for holding any buy position, because the price is clearly staying below 422. So on seeing this price picture right from the price opening, you can see this. It says that there are a lot of possibilities that the market can move higher. So which clearly gives a signal, a price opening and opening above and staying above the previous week price range gives us a clear indication that the price can move higher. But it is just an indication. We need a confirmation. Just because the price couldn't sustain this 422, the price came down. So that is an importance of support and resistance. Whenever the price is staying below major support or resistance, there are a lot of possibilities that it finds a lot of selling pressure also. So exactly the market came under pressure, copper came under pressure, you can see. But if you see the entire price action, the highs are decreasing. You can see this is the high the market created after the price drop. This is the high, and the high is normally the high is decreasing, and the price closed around 419.9. But again it is a very low volatile market, because the price didn't give us a clear direction. We see this 422 again. So unless we see this 422 zone very comfortably, we cannot say that we are the market can 100% go in line with the trend. So what we can expect today is that again we are into the price range what happened on the previous week. So today's expected price opening may be around 420.5. So today we are expecting the market to open above the previous day's price closing. So that indicates if the price is going to open below 419, or if the expected price opening is below the previous day's price closing, it gives us a second confirmation that the price can move down. So it confirms the trend that the price can move down. Since the price is today's expected price opening is going to be just above the previous day's price closing, that clearly indicates, if you see the trend, so even in 7-minute chart also we can go and analyze the trend. So as I told you, the highs are decreasing. If the price is going to open above this, it indicates that the price is going to break this pattern. So if you draw a trend line, you can analyze that it is going to break. That can potentially pull some buyers into action. So there are possibilities that the price can again test 422. Then there will going to be a 50-50 chance there around 422. So today is also going to be a bit of a struggle day for copper traders, but we can tell you that if you are going to stay in copper for few days, if you can hold and watch this 422, what is happening in and around 422, it can provide you a very good profit, because always in a consolidation market you can gain a huge profit, because the breakout or breakdown can provide a lot of impact, and there will be a good momentum after that. So it is a good opportunity, so don't stay away from copper, since just saying that it is consolidating, the price is not volatile. Soon we expect copper to give us a clear price direction. Sure, it is going to be more than 6 or 8 point gain if you are going to stay in copper. So today's price opening, based upon, since we are posting this video well before the currency market and the MCX market opening, it is the price opening is just subjected to changes. We are seeing COMEX market prices, and then we are saying the expected price opening. So after 9 o'clock you can see where the currency is trading, Indian rupee, where Indian rupee is staying, and if it is positive or negative, make an adjustment and correlate that. Today's price opening is going to be a very important and key role on, so if the price is going to open, this is the previous day's closing, if the price is going to open somewhere around above 420.5, then it indicates that again the market is going to test 422. So there are possibilities that 50-50 chance for both buyers and sellers. So we can initially take a resistance around 422, because it is taking always only if you see for the past few weeks, only for few minutes, or we can say few hours, the market is staying above 422. But other than that, the price is always staying below 422. But but also the price is not breaking this 419 or 417, 418, 417.5 and 418. These are acting as a major support for copper market. So there was a query why the price is staying at 417 and 418 for a long time. Go back to the histories of chart, you can see that once the price moved from 494, took the support around 417.5, and it clearly changed the trend. So it had happened before, so that is a major reason the price is staying around 417.5 and 418 for a long time. So it is always a good opportunity, because it gives us a lot of opportunity to learn trading, and also it is a very potential area where we can show our strength, whatever we have learned in technical analysis, and about support, resistance, price flow, trend lines, moving averages, and whatever advanced technical charting patterns we have learned, we can apply here. So we are saying it is going to be a good opportunity for copper traders if they are going to hold your nose and stay with 422 zones. So what we are trying to say is that today, please make a note that today's price opening is going to play a crucial role, and also again we are expecting copper to take some resistance around 422. If the price should move above 422, it will clearly form intraday pattern like this. It will take one support here, again it will take another support, and then it will move. So please closely monitor the copper market for today. Just because it is consolidating, we want this 422 to be cleared today, or even in the few days it can do it. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.